Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade and the topic for the today's video is Java 8 features. This is my first or original video in this particular topic. Now let us see what is features of Java 8. So the Oracle released a new version of Java as a Java 8 in 18 March 2014. It was a revolutionary release of the Java for software development platform. It includes various upgrades to the Java programming, JVM, tools and libraries. So, following are the main features of Java, that is the Lambda expression, method references, functional interfaces, stream API, default methods, base 64 encode decode, then static methods is interface, that is optional class, collector class, for each method, Nashon JavaScript engine, then parallel array sorting, type and repeating annotations, and then IO enhancements, concurrency enhancement, JDBC enhancement, etc. These are the features of Java 8. So now we will see it, the description one by one. First, Lambda expression. So the Lambda expression help us to write our code into functional style. It provides a clear and concise way to implement single abstract method by using an expression. It is very useful in correction library in which it helps to iterate, filter and extract data. The Java Lambda expression is treated as a function, so the compiler does not create a .class file. Now the next is method references. Java 8 method reference is used to refer method of functional interface. It is compact and easy form of Lambda expression. Each time when we are using Lambda expression to just referring a method, we can replace our Lambda expression with method reference. Now the next is functional interface. An interface that contains only one abstract method is known as functional interface. It can have any number of default and static methods. It can also declare methods of object class. Now the next is optional. So Java introduced a new class that is optional in Java 8. It is a public final class which is used to deal with null pointer exception in Java application. We must import java.util package to use this class. It provides method to check the presence of value for particular variable. Now the next is for each method. So the Java provides a new method that is for each to iterate the element. It is defined in iterable and stream interfaces. It is a default method defined in the iterable interface. Collection classes which extends iterable interface can use for each method to iterate element. Then the next is datetime API. So the Java has introduced a new date and time API since Java 8. The java.time package contains Java 8 date and time classes. Now the next is default method. Java provides a facility to create default method inside the interface. Method which are defined inside the interface and tagged with default keyword are known as default method, and these methods are non-abstract method and can have method body. Now the next is string joiner. Java added a new final class string joiner in java.util package. It is used to construct a sequence of character separated by a delimiter. Now we can create a string by passing delimiters like comma, hyphen, etc. And now the next is collector. The collector is a final class that extends object class. It provides reduction operation such as accumulating elements into collection, summarizing elements according to various criteria, etc. Now the next is stream API. So the Java 8 feature, that is java.util stream package, consists of classes, interfaces and enum to allow functional style operation on the element. It performs lazy computation, so it executes only when it requires. Now the next feature, that is a stream filter. So the Java stream provides a method filter to filter stream element on the basis of given predicate. Suppose we want to get only even elements of our list. Then we can do this easily with the help of filter method. This method takes predicate as an argument and returns a stream of resulted element. Now the next feature that is Java based 64 encoding and decoding. So a Java provides a class based 64 to deal with encryption and decryption. We need to import java.util.base64 class in our source file to use its method. This class provides three different encoder and decoder to encrypt information at each level. Now the next feature, that is Java parallel array sorting. So the Java provides a new additional feature in arrays class which is used to sort array elements parallelly. The parallel sort method has added to java.util arrays class that uses the JSR 166 fork by join parallelism comma pool to provide sorting of arrays. It is an overloaded method. This is all about the features of Java 8. Thank you.